everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video is Mother's Day special. So I'm going to be showing you guys some quick and easy last minute crafts that you guys can make for Mother's Day. Now these crafts are super easy and fun to make, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I make them. Now to make this card, basically what you're going to need is of course construction paper as well as any kind of white paper that you might have. Printer paper would work the best. And I'm just going to be gluing the white paper on top of the construction paper. Next, I'm just going to be folding the paper in half, just like that. And next, of course, I'm going to write with a white Sharpie marker. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm just going to overline again with the marker just so you guys can see clearly what I am writing on the card. Next, I'm just going to draw out some hearts. Doesn't matter what size. I'm going with a mix of big hearts and then small hearts. Next, I'm just going to be drawing out the leaves of the flower that's going to be inside the card. So I've made the leaves. Next, of course, I'm going to make is the stem, of course. Now next, I'm just going to be gluing in the stems plus the leaves on the card, just like that. Now to make the flowers, basically what I'm going to do is I have three different colored construction paper, and I'm just going to make the flower and then cut that out. And once my flowers have been cut out, the next step is of course to put them, just place them on the card itself. And to do that, basically I'm just going to fold them in half like this. I'm trying to make the flowers give out a 3D look when the card opens up, just like that. Once that has been complete, the next step is, this is actually optional if you want to do this. Basically, I'm going to be creating the roots of the flower, and I'm going to make a shape of a heart. So I'll show you guys what I mean. Once that has been complete, next you can basically write a small message on the card. And that completes your first craft. Now to make this second craft, basically what you're going to need is of course any color of your own choice construction paper, and I'm just going to be cutting out a circle in the middle of the paper. Once that has been cut out, the next step is of course to draw out a small heart that's going to be being placed inside the circle. I'll show you guys what I mean. And I'm just going to be using a string. Cut that out. And just tape it out at the back of the construction paper. Next, I'm just going to be writing Happy Mother's Day on the top. I tried using a white marker, but it didn't work out, so I'm just going to stick with a black Sharpie marker. Next, I'm just going to draw out some flowers. This is also optional, you don't have to do this. Folding the paper in half, and I'm going to draw out a shape of a heart and just cut out the excessive paper, and there you go, you guys. This is your second craft. Last but not the least, the third craft. Now in order to make this, basically what you're going to need is of course one of these colored cardboard paper, and I'm just going to be gluing out the heart that I had cut out earlier. Just placing it on the paper like this. And I'm just going to write Happy Mother's Day at the top. Now inside the card, I'm just going to write a small message. Next, I'm just going to be placing a piece of glitter tape onto the card. Now again, this is optional, but if you do have this, then you could definitely use it to make the card look pretty. And I'm just going to add in these small hearts that I had cut out earlier before. And then once that has been done, I'm just going to place a butterfly at the top. And here are the finished looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys next time. Take care, guys, and wishing you all a happy Mother's Day.